Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Vanguard UK. Open an ISA or general investment account, verify your ID, and fund the account to begin. Select a low-cost Vanguard ETF or fund that matches your goals and decide on lump sum or monthly contributions. Set up automated contributions, review fees, and keep a long-term mindset while checking performance periodically and avoiding impulsive trades. Start by comparing ISA, SIP, and general investment account options to match tax needs and access preferences. Check fees, minimum investments, and the available Vanguard funds or ETFs on the platform. Think about your risk tolerance and time horizon, then choose an asset allocation that fits. Prefer index funds for broad exposure, set up direct debit for regular investing, and review your plan annually to stay on track. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty and solid durability that make long research sessions more comfortable. I often wear them between meetings and while checking portfolios because they last and feel great. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Evaluate Vanguard funds by looking at ongoing charges figure, tracking error, and replication method to ensure efficient exposure. Pick low-cost index funds or ETFs for diversified holdings across UK and global markets, and set target allocations. Use calendar or threshold rebalancing to maintain allocation, keep emergency cash separate, and consider tax wrappers for efficiency. Focus on long-term compounding and avoid frequent trading driven by short-term market noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.